Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be doing some filing today. I had already started a little, but then I remembered, oh yeah, you guys needed a filing video, so let's go ahead and get into it. You guys did see that I was using a 60 by 60 grid emery board, but this was the last one that I had. Like this is the only number that I have left, but normally you would want to use 120 or 180, or you can use 100 as well, but you are just going to go ahead and push those cuticles back after application, and this is to make sure you got like all of that extra product before filing. And this also helps seal your cuticle, and I'm going to tell you why once we get later into this video. But if you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you miss next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. But as you guys could see, I was going from the side of my cuticle all the way. I was using that side part of my cuticle to basically guide me down the nail and to basically make sure that that nail is straight on the side walls. And then I took my emery board and just filed back and forth, well, up and down. Well, I moved my nail up and down on the emery board. Um, you can either do that way or you can go left to right, moving your nail left to right instead of up and down. But I prefer to do up and down just because it gives me a much cleaner shape, and it also gives me that angle um on the end of my nail that I like. But it's really up to you how you like your nails shaped, but I'm basically just showing you the same process again. I'm going underneath and I'm going on the side, and that's just cleaning up the underneath of the nail. You don't want to go underneath too much though, because it will take away your shaping, like the curvature of the actual nail. When you look at it from, like, if you were to face your nails towards, if you were to face your hands towards your face and see the curvature of the underneath of your nail, it will mess that up. So try not to file too much underneath. I only go a little bit just to clean up any extra product, but you also can go in with your e-file, and I'm going to show that as well. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just using the side wall of my cuticle to help me basically straighten out this nail. And then I'm going up and down on the emery board. So now I have the emery board flat on my nail bed, but it's only on the free edge. Um, and I'm lightly doing it. It doesn't look light on this video, but I promise you I'm lightly doing it. And this is just to help me with my apex. If I applied too much polygel or if I just didn't like how the shape came out, I try to focus the emery board more on the tip of the nail just to kind of thin it out if I did too much, or if my apex got lost in the sauce. But yeah, this is kind of not necessary because you can do this with the e-file, but I prefer to use the emery board just to get a bulk of it off. Um, and this is also to help me get any like major lumps out if I had like a bad application. But again, you can use your e-file. I really hate using the e-file, so this is why I use my emery board first. But I'm going in with a ceramic barrel bit. I think that's what this one is called. I'm not sure. I will link it down below. Um, but I'm just laying that flat on my nail, and I'm basically gliding. I'm using my nail as reference to glide my bit back and forth just to get um any imperfections, any extra product, any lumps. This is just smoothing the nail out. And when I go towards my cuticle, I try to get as close as possible, and then I follow my cuticle area. But we are finna go in with a different bit for the cuticle, and this is to seal the cuticle. So just keep watching. Um, and I have this on the lowest setting possible. So when it comes to the speeds and all of that, I promise you I do not know because I never used to use the ones where you have to do the RPMs. Wait, what is it? R rates per, I think it's RPSs. I don't know. Rates per rams per second. I think that's what it is. Um, but I never knew. But even when I had one of those, I put it on the lowest setting possible. Like I try to put it as low as possible because you can keep filing, but you cannot put more product. Well, you can put more product on, but once that comes off, you can't put it back unless you put more product. And we don't want to do that. So, um, I am also using that same bit to go underneath the nail, as you can see. And now we are going to be using this cuticle bit, and this is also ceramic. And this is why I told you guys to push your cuticles back. And this is going to help seal your cuticle. I'm just going to lightly glide the bit around my cuticle area, cleaning up any dead skin, any extra product, anything like that. If you see any product down there, you want to get it because it will cause your nail to lift. And once, like when you pull that skin back, that product, it you're gonna see some type of product, especially from like polygel or any type of gel. You're gonna see some type of residue, some type of extra product. And the reason why you want to push it back and make sure you seal that is because if any water or anything gets down there and you did not push your cuticles back, your nails are going to lift. Regardless, it does not matter because you did not seal it. You did not push that skin back to make sure there was no open passages for any type of liquid or anything to get in there. And that is why nails pop off. That is why um, you don't have a good set because you did not seal your cuticle. And so this is how you seal your cuticle. And you want to make sure you're going very light. And this ceramic bit is really good because it does not tear up your skin. Like, although the cuticle bits are not supposed to really tear up your skin, the metal, well, the sterling silver or whatever that is, I think they're metal or whatever you use for acrylic, um, they're really harsh. Like, I don't know. But next, we're putting cuticle oil on the nails and we're going to buff that out. And this is just to ensure that there is no scratches, no ashiness to the nail or anything like that. So if you did want to just keep your nails this color, you could because of the filing process you went through. You were able to clean up those nails really, really good. Make sure it was no scratches from your file. Like this is why I use cuticle oil because the cuticle oil is what seals, like it basically smooths and seals like the scratches or anything that you see. It smooths them out. And I kind of discovered this a minute ago and then people started doing it. I don't know, but I am not new to this. This is something that is needed when it comes to um your prepping before you put like nail polish on anything like, and really you could put nail polish on over crusty, like not crusty nails but like the nails that have like the emery board scratches in it. But it just, I don't know, it's just something about having a smooth surface. So yeah, this is how we're looking. But then once I turn down the light, I seen those extra um little crunchy parts underneath the nail. So I am just going to go back in with my e-file and clean it up. Look, as you can see, I have one smooth and one not smooth whatsoever. So now I'm just going in with that same bit. Normally you would want to use a sanding bit, but um you can use any type of bit that will fit underneath that nail and just clean that free edge up really good. See if you have any extra product, clean that up as well. But yeah, I just cleaned it up and this is basically the end of the video. But to walk you through each step again, you want to go in with your emery board, 120 or 180, and you want to do that nice and slow just to make sure you get all of the product that you want off and make sure you have it the shape that you want it, and then you go in with your e-file on the lowest setting. And you guys might want to use the e-file that I use because there's a small, medium, I mean a low, medium, and high setting, and I always use the low setting. So I can never tell you guys what I actually use, but this is the end of the video. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn that bell on so you don't miss the next time I post a new video. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.